Now we will have a look at the controls and instruments available to help the driver carry out every task with the maximum efficiency. First of all, we have the multi-function display. This is the vital communication interface between the driver and the machine. You could think of it as the truck's means of talking to the driver. It keeps both the driver and the service engineer fully informed of the truck's activities and condition. The display unit is positioned so the driver can see it easily, and so it doesn't block his view out of the truck. Navigating through the on-screen menu using the buttons below it is very simple. It's rather like using the menu on a mobile phone. Fingertip control of the hydraulics is standard on these trucks. The levers are built into a comfortable adjustable armrest. It's designed so that the hand rests comfortably with the fingers and thumb free to move easily, so control is precise and effortless. There are 3 fingertip levers for lift, reach and tilt. Their layout has been designed so that each one feels different, which means you can easily find the right lever by touch. Side shift centering and tilt leveling options are available, operated by separate buttons. The side shift is operated by a 2-sided switch above the fingertip levers. Meanwhile, the direction switch and the horn can be conveniently operated by the thumb. Other buttons and switches include those for auxiliary functions, like the optional working lights or flashers. There is also the all-important power button, and an emergency stop button which safely immobilises the truck if necessary. The truck is equipped with unlimited 360-degree electric steering. This gives precise control with minimal effort. The steering is also progressive. This means there's a control system that makes the steering wheel less sensitive to the driver's movement when the truck is moving at high speed. So a sudden movement doesn't cause an unnecessarily sharp turn of the truck. This helps to keep the truck steady when moving at fast speeds. At the same time, it ensures precise manoeuvrability at slow speeds. We're now looking down at the pedals. The 3 pedals are carefully angled so the driver's foot can rest on the floor while operating them, which means there's no strain in the ankle or leg. To ensure that the correct pedal is instinctively pressed to stop in an emergency, the brake pedal is in the middle and the accelerator pedal is on the right, just as they are in a car. The pedal on the left is a dead man pedal. Only the weight of the driver's foot is needed to keep the truck moving, but if he removes his foot completely, the regenerative braking system will automatically bring the truck to a halt. One of the dead man pedal's functions is to ensure that the driver doesn't travel with his legs hanging out of the truck. It can also be used to change direction by releasing it for just a moment, but that function can be switched off if not required. The regenerative braking on these trucks is highly efficient. It gives effective control and also reduces brake wear. Braking can be achieved in 3 ways, depending on how urgently the driver needs to stop. When the accelerator pedal is released, passive regenerative braking slows the truck down. The rate of slowing down can be programmed. Pushing the middle brake pedal brings in active regenerative braking, which is stronger. Again, the strength can be programmed. In an emergency, the middle pedal is pushed hard, activating a strong mechanical brake, as well as the active regenerative braking. As well as all these braking mechanisms, the high-performance models have load wheel brakes. This can also be specified for other models as an optional extra. We recommend this added safeguard for applications involving loads of over a ton. When emergency braking is applied while carrying a heavy load, these extra brakes compensate for the loss of drive wheel friction caused by the truck tipping forward, and so ensure a rapid halt. They operate electrically, which means there is no drain on the truck's hydraulic power. And, like the regenerative braking, their braking force can be programmed to suit the application. With all of this effective control and everything designed to work so naturally with the driver, the truck will quickly give any user a sense of total confidence.